In our previous video, we highlighted the reasons why roofing contractors and homeowners are demanding more from the roofing products they choose. In this video, we explain how Tilcor roofing panels meet these demands. Tilcor stone-coated steel panels are lightweight, making installation faster and easier than traditional materials. They are more durable and have a longer lifetime under extreme climatic conditions. They are covered by our limited lifetime warranty. And they are far more energy efficient than traditional roofing products. A Tilcor stone-coated steel roof has a far longer lifespan than traditional roofing systems. Standard asphalt shingles have a lifespan of 15 to 18 years, whereas stone-coated steel panels have a minimum lifespan of 50 years. For most homeowners, this means they can be assured of the quality of their roof over a lifetime in their home. Tilcor steel is 100% sourced from the volcanic iron sands of beautiful New Zealand. So unlike many other stone-coated steel suppliers, our steel is free of any other additives or impurities. And unlike asphalt, Tilcor panels and accessories are free from petroleum-based products that become unsafe after a number of years. Tilcor panels and accessories meet the World Health Organization's standards for water runoff and are weather and load tested for optimal lifetime performance. In summary, Tilcor roofing panels are lightweight, durable, watertight, and have a far longer lifespan than traditional materials. Tilcor steel is superior in quality, 100% sourced from the black iron sands of New Zealand, and Tilcor panels and accessories are weather and load tested for optimal lifetime performance. Find out more about the benefits of stone-coated steel and, in particular, Tilcor stone-coated steel roofing.